Lift your head high, kingdom ambassador. You are not sent to terrify, you are sent to testify. You are not the voice of doom, you are the sound of divine hope. Stand tall, for your message carries heaven's heartbeat. God was in Christ, reconciling the world unto himself. Now let all creation rise and sing. Minister hope, not condemnation. Lift across the world's foundation. Proclaim his love, not separation. We are the voice of reconciliation. Let the trumpet of mercy sound. Let grace and truth abound. For Christ has won salvation. Minister hope, not condemnation. No more fear, the light has come. The battle's over, the Lamb has won. Every knee shall bow and sing to Jesus Christ, the reigning King. Judgment fire refines, not ends. Grace corrects and mercy mends. His anger fades, his love remains. He heals the lost, restores the chains. Minister hope, not condemnation. Sing his truth to every nation. Lift your voice, it's restoration. Christ in us, our jubilation. Let the heavens echo loud. Let the nations join the sound. Till all creation stands and sings. Jesus reigns, the King of Kings. We are not prophets of doom, we are heralds of hope. We are not judges, we are ambassadors. We carry heaven's decree, restoration, love rejection, restoration, not ruin, love, not fear. For the kingdom of our God shall fill the earth, and God shall be all in all. Minister hope, not condemnation. Condemnation is the whole. Every nation. Lift your voice, it's restoration. Christ in us, our jubilation. Let the heavens echo loud. Let the nations join the sound. Till all creation stands and sings. Jesus reigns, the King of Kings. We are the ministers of reconciliation. Sound of hope, the rhythm of restoration, the voice of the kingdom.